Hello and welcome. This video is part of a series developed to help you quickly enable valuable features across your SAP Ariba solution. In this video, I shall cover the index-based auction type used to buy goods and services that are subject to frequent price fluctuations. This type of auctions is a variation of the online English reverse auctions where suppliers bid in discounts or premiums related to a market index. Typically, index follow a format price unit of measurement, for example, $6,000 per metric ton. So, if you are using a commodity that is subject to frequent price fluctuations such as oil, metals, and temp labor, use an index auction template by amount or percentage to create a competitive bidding event based on an index. If you use amount, you can choose to have suppliers place bids in terms of a nominal currency amount above or below the index. For example, $5 above the index value. If the index value is 50, the bid is 55. If you are using percentage, you can choose to have supplier place bids in terms of percentage value, either above or below an index. For example, 5 less than the index value. If the index value is 50, the bid will be 47 and 50 cents. When to set up an index auction? First, copy and set up for your business needs the out-of-the-box templates, index-based auction by amount, and index-based auction by percentage. Invite qualified suppliers to participate, define what index to use, and agree that index with suppliers, and communicate suppliers and hold a question and answer training session. Raw materials and commodities are a strong auction fit for the index-based type, as well as some services categories where an index can be defined and agreed with suppliers. Now let's see a quick demo of an index auction by percentage discount bidding. We create an index-based auction template by percentage. So let's see some key configurations of this template. First, to set up the timing rules, especially when the bidding starts. If the type of the lot bidding, the time you're gonna define for the suppliers to bid. And then in bidding rules, you decide if you're going to allow enable traffic light bidding or set that participants must improve their bids, which is necessary. And then in market feedback, you decide to show formulas to participants or to show the lead bid to all participants. These are a key configuration that you need to take care, including your template. And then you create your auction index base, this case by percentage, based on the configurations in your template. You publish your auction and monitor the participants' bids through the bid console screen. As we can see here, and supplier will bid by index percentage. You also can see here the total cost of each offer or the savings that you can get from the supplier bids. When in here in the content tab, you can view after the event is closing. You can view all the information regarding the bids of the participants, the last information, the last bid they provided, or the best bid. And also you can use a scenario tab in order to make some simulations and decide which suppliers to award. And this ends our demo. Thank you for watching this video. For more details, please visit the SAP Help portal and search for About Event Index Auction. If you have any further questions at this stage, please contact your SAP Ariba Customer Engagement Executive for more information.